Hi guys, hope you're doing well. How have you been? Today we're not doing any crafts videos. Today we're doing a food video. Yum, I love food. So today we'll be making Oreo cake. Oreo cake is really yummy. You'll be thinking that it'll take a lot of time, but it'll only take 5 or 6 minutes. So let's get started. So you'll be needing the main part, Oreo, cup, a bowl of oil, a spoon, sugar, milk, and some flour. Let's get started. And I'm hitting. Time to put them in. 2, 3, 4. And now we crush. Oh, so this is how it should look when it's crushed. So, now just pour it in. 1 spoon of oil. Just pour it in. A little more. Because I like sweet. I love it. That should be enough. Half a spoon. That's it. Remember, half a spoon. Okay, now for the milk. One. 2. 1 more. 3. That should be enough. Now we mix. It's all gooey. And there's no eggs needed, so if any of you are allergic, don't worry. And the last step is to put it in the oven. Let's go. And now we put it in the oven for 1 minute. Yay, it's done. Smells good. Be careful, it's hot. So this is how it should look like, or better. And now you check if it's soft on the outside and hard on the inside. Perfect. Now to taste. Yummy. Really good. Yummy, come taste it. How is it? Okay, so if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See ya next week. Bye!